In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create teams and projects on Basecamp. We'll walk through setting up a new project and getting your team inside so you can start collaborating right away. Basecamp keeps things simple, but a few thoughtful choices during setup go a long way toward keeping your work organized and your teammates aligned. First, head to the Basecamp login page. Enter your email address and click Next. On the following screen, type your password and select Login. If you have access to multiple accounts, make sure you're in the correct one for this project. A quick check here prevents confusion later. Once you're in, look for the option to make a new project. Click that to start your setup. Begin by giving your project a clear, descriptive name. Aim for something that instantly tells your team what this space is for, like the client, campaign, or internal initiative. Below the name, add a short description. This is your project's mission statement. Define the purpose, the key outcome, and any important context. Think of it as a quick brief that orients anyone who joins. You can always update this later, so don't worry about making it perfect on the first pass. Next, choose the tools you want to use in this project. Basecamp includes essentials like the message board for announcements and decisions, to-dos for tasks, schedule for key dates, docs and files for shared resources, and real-time chat. Enable only what your team will actually use. Fewer tools mean less noise, and you can always turn more on as the project grows. For example, start with message board, to-dos, and docs and files, then add schedule when dates firm up. When everything looks good, click Create this project. You now have a dedicated space ready to go. Let's add your team so work can begin. Inside the project, select Add some people to invite teammates, then choose Add people. Start typing the person's name and select the correct match from the list. Include a brief personal note to explain why they're being added and what you'd like them to focus on. This sets expectations and reduces back and forth. Finally, click to add them to the project. Repeat for everyone who needs access. From here, you're ready to post your first update on the message board, drop in key files, and outline initial to-dos. Keep your project description current, review which tools are enabled as needs change, and make sure new teammates get that helpful note when you invite them. With these basics in place, your team and project in Basecamp will stay clear, focused,